far away from the land. Caboolture River buzzing, whiting biting on the tide, with 7 mud crabs in the esky, nowhere left to hide. Yeah, I think like a fish in the cool morning light, fishing all day till the middle of the night. Oh, I'm John the fishing man, searching for the bite from the creek to the ocean.
Good morning. Today I thought I'd go visit my mother and stop in at Caboolture River, just have a bit of a fish. So the tide's running out at the moment. I'm at the mouth of King John Creek, and I'll have a bit of a fish here. Let's see what's about. Hopefully I'll pick up a flathead from my mother, eh? Wish me luck. First bite of the day. Yep, and it's a little flathead. That'll keep Mum happy. There you go, little 53 centimetre. As I said, Mum will be happy. Hopefully I'll get another one for myself. Bloody Taylor. Get out of the road, Rod. Oh, you little monkey. This little barred grunter. Caught big barred grunter up here, eh? Anyway, this one's undersized. A little sole. It's been nibbling on my bait. Oh. Well, I got my second flathead. I think she'll go back. I'm going to call that a day. Came down to get a couple of these. This one, nice one, 53 centimetres. So Mum will have that one. Didn't get my second legal one. Anyway, a bit of a mixed bag. I dropped a tailor, a little bloody sole, bloody barred grunter. Anyway, I got Mum's dinner. Until next time.
Got the LV loaded, Jimmy Crane rod in hand, chasing snapper at a red cliff, far away from the land. Pimpama River buzzing, whiting biting on the tide, with 7 mud crabs in the esky, nowhere left to hide. Yeah, I think like a fish in the cool morning light, fishing all day till the middle of the night. Oh, I'm John the fishing man, searching for the bite, from the creek to the ocean, getting the rigs right. Hey, cast another line out, feel the drag begin to scream, living the life down in Queensland. It's a fishing man's dream.